Meaning of diacritical.
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 Diacritical. Diacritical refers to markings or accents added to letters to indicate pronunciation or meaning in a written language. These markings can include dots, lines, and other symbols that change the sound or meaning of a letter. In typography, diacritical marks are often used to modify characters in Latin-based alphabets, such as adding a umlaut over a vowel to change its pronunciation. In linguistics, they are used to distinguish between homographs, words with the same spelling but different meanings, and to indicate stress or intonation. Overall, diacritical marks play an important role in accurately representing spoken languages in written form.